Hey my cuties, this is your study buddy Shams, and this video is about my GDPI and extempore experience with LBSIM. Yes, they have all three of these rounds, so I'll be telling you all of the things and the topics and all the questions those were asked to me. Before that, subscribe to my channel. So the first round was a GD round, and the topic was something about e-commerce and quick commerce and problems related to that and how in the current scenario it's working. So I began, like, I was the one who started. Again, I love doing this in GDs. I speak before anyone could even think about it, and you get extra brownie points to initiate the conversation, because generally people interrupt in the middle, and once you start in the beginning, I think you get an edge to that. So I started the GD, and after that, I took around 3 entries, because it was only for 10 minutes and we were around 11, 12 people. So I think 3 entries were more than enough. Then for my PI, the PI started with the extempore round. Okay, so they randomly asked me to pick a number. I picked the number. The topic that was according to that number was, "What is happiness to you?" So I gave an interview. It's a topic that is so common, yet framing it at that point feels hard. But I did speak for 1 minute. I don't know how it went and did they like it or not, but I tried my best to speak about happiness in different dimensions. And then my PI started. So the first question, surprisingly, here was not "tell me something about yourself." It was about the gap year I have and why MA history. And when I answered that, then they asked me, okay, so from history, who are 3 managers that you are impressed by? So I took 3 names, and then they asked me why these three, and then the next question was. About my hometown, that my hometown is Satna. So what is special about there? So I told them whatever is special, like the cement industry and all the tourist places there, and jungle safari and tiger safari and things like that. After that, they asked me a few basic questions of accounting. One was, what is asset, what is liability, what is the difference between the two, name 3 assets and 3 liabilities, tangible and intangible ke beech ka difference, they asked me. And then the last question was actually pretty interesting. Mm, uh, the question was, if you have a bat and a ball together, they cost rupees 110, and the difference between the ball and the bat is 100 rupees. So the total price of the both is 110, and the difference between the two is 100. And what is the price of the ball? And now the what generally we would do is we would go with the value of tens, 0 or 10. So if you take the price of the ball to be 10, the price of the bat becomes 100, but the difference is 90 now. So the answer to this is, the price of the ball is rupees 5, the bat is 105. So total becomes 110 and the difference is 100. So that is how my interview was concluded. So I answered this, and yeah, if you have a question, please drop a comment and subscribe. Bye bye.